What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card, this is my dream, and the only way to get to this card is by educating people like you on credit. Today I want to talk about debt consolidation. I was having a conversation with somebody who was saying, I was going to go through debt consolidation. Here's the problem with some debt consolidation. A lot of times what they'll do is if you have accounts where you're really underwater, maybe you even have some missed payments and stuff, and you're trying to consolidate that debt into one payment, what they're doing is they're settling accounts. And when you're settling accounts, you're closing accounts. So let's just say, for example, you have a credit card, let's just say you've had it for 5 years, and all of a sudden since COVID or since the last 2 years or so, you start having problems with that account or that card. If you close that account, you lose all this history. It's better off to find a way to continue to pay that, maybe get a personal loan if you can, do a refinance of your house so that you can pay off that debt, but you don't want to consolidate all these accounts because then you lose all that credit history. It's better to have an account that may have a little blip of bad history, but to still keep all the history and have that history ongoing for the future, than it is to say, no big deal, let's close all these accounts, get rid of this bad debt, get rid of this high utilization, let's just get rid of it all, and then we'll start over. That's way worse because now you have to basically start over with no credit history. To whereas if you can get a loan, refinance your house, or get some other source of money or some other resource of money, you pay off those debts or continue to pay them off, tighten up that budget, whatever you have to do. It is better to keep those accounts open because you're keeping all that history, plus you're keeping all those accounts open, okay? This is what you call, the history is what I call account depth. I should do it this way. This is account depth, which is total history of accounts. This is account diversification, auto loan, personal loan, credit cards, mortgage, school loans or student loans. They're all building a thick, solid credit profile, which is the name of the game for you, okay? A thicker credit profile, a more diverse credit profile, a longer age of history credit profile. These are all things that are going to help you build and manage a good high credit score. All right, I hope that explained it pretty well. This was a little longer than usual, but it's definitely important to know if you do have a lot of debt, you're trying to get rid of it, do not go to debt consolidation unless you absolutely have to. I would try to find any other means or any other way possible. Just do some research and see what your other options are that are available to you and keep those accounts open. All right, have an awesome New Year, guys. Catch up with you in the next video. That was a real